Hey guys, my name is Pedro, and in today's video, we are going to see that why OKX is better than other exchanges. But before we get into the details of this project, do know that anything I will say is not going to be any financial or investment advice. It is clearly up to you whether to invest or not. I will just give information about this project. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the facts and figures about OKX, and we will compare them with other top exchanges, and we will see how OKX is better than other exchanges. So, let's begin. First, let's talk about APY rates, as every investor wants to have more APY rates to earn more money. So, OKX gives 10% APY interest in USDT Flexible Savings as compared to 0.01 savings interest is given by the Bank of America. Now here, you can see on the Earn OKX page that the APY is 10%. You can earn 1000x more interest with OKX Earn as compared to traditional bank saving interest, which makes OKX far better than others. Secondly, people find it difficult to get their hands on the crypto. People find it difficulty to get the tokens or how to exchange it, or you can say how they can buy the tokens from their card, etc. So let me tell you that you can buy a crypto in one single step in OKX. I personally found this amazing as you don't need to go to other swaps to get currency converted, or you don't need to involve any third party to get the tokens. In OKX, you can buy crypto with your Visa or Mastercard. Just connect your credit card and buy the currency in one step. Now here you can see you can buy Bitcoin and 99 plus cryptocurrencies with 95 plus fiat currencies. You can see the list of currencies like US dollar, Euro, RUB, JPY, JPP, TRY, CAD, PKR, and many more. So this buy feature of OKX makes it better than others. Thirdly, you can swap your crypto in one step. You don't need to use PancakeSwaps or other swap exchanges because OKX will convert for you in just one single step. Swap any crypto such as Bitcoin to USDT or any other crypto. It's a very quick conversion and there's no fees and no slippage. If anyone with crypto knowledge can easily tell why OKX is better than other swaps because there's no fee or slippage and have many pairs. Now let's move on to the security of OKX, which is very important for any investor, that is their money or investment is safe and secure. So I already told you guys in the previous video that OKX has never been hacked and it has industry leading security system. This system has never been crashed, so they have one of the best security in the crypto industry. Now let's compare OKX with its competitors like Binance. As we know, Binance and OKX are the top crypto exchanges. Still, the maker fee of OKX is 0.08%, while Binance have little bit higher of 0.1%, which makes OKX more preferable for investors. Then OKX with Bybit. OKX support 386 cryptos, while Bybit support only 169. Then Bybit don't have the option for credit and wire, which clearly gives OKX a lead. Then we have OKX versus Coinbase. OKX is available to users in over 200 countries, but it's not available in the United States. Coinbase is available to users in over 100 countries, including the US. OKX supports 343 currencies, while Coinbase supports just 160. OKX publishes its trading fee clearly, while Coinbase hides prices until you enter a trade. Then comes the OKX versus KuCoin. The OKX still offer less maker fee than KuCoin and many of the other exchanges. OKX complicated fee schedule is divided into two tiers with multiple levels within each tier. For regular users, your fees are based on the number of OKB you hold. OKB is the native cryptocurrency of the OKX exchange. The more OKB you hold within the OKX ecosystem, the lower your fees. Generally speaking, the maker fee is paid by the person who initiates the order to buy or sell, while the other party that completes the complementary transaction pays the taker fee. For VIP users, their fees are determined by the different criteria, focusing instead of their trading volume over the last 30 days. OKX have one of the simplest and easiest KYC, and you can withdraw up to 10 Bitcoin daily without KYC. But in other exchanges, you cannot withdraw until you complete the KYC. In addition to futures trading, OKX provides a range of services. This includes spot trading, margin trading, perpetual swaps, decentralized finance, lending, crypto mining services. Now, if we compare the trading boards of OKX with other exchanges, OKX Spot Grid is one of the best in the crypto space. Then comes the Moon Grid, which automatically trades crypto that buys at low and sells at high within a specific price range. OKX allows a wide array of fiat currencies to open an account. It has a broad suite of offering and have one of the highest staking APY as compared to its competitors. Then it has hundreds of trading pairs, which other exchanges don't provide much. OKX deliver world-class customer service, and if you don't believe, try to reach them out and you will know how quick, fast, and cooperative customer service they have. Then OKX has 3 million of OKX users wallet which are in constant profit and for the past 30 days. 1.7 million users have positive profit. So these stats speak itself that where OKX stand. And last, you can buy currencies in few clicks with a credit or debit card or bank account transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other supported services. So these are the reasons why OKX is better for beginners or professionals from the other exchanges. So that's it from today's video, and I will be giving all the necessary links in the video description, and I will see you guys in the next one shortly. Stay tuned.